In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this really healthy and quick, easy pasta salad. This pasta salad legit gets ready in less than 20 minutes. You're going to love it. It is healthier than the average store-bought pasta salad, and it is also really tasty. It's just incredible, you guys. Without talking too much, let us dive right into the video. You're in for a ride. First things first, the full ingredient list and their quantities are going to be in the description box, so please check it out. I'm using some fresh onions, or essentially I'm using fresh vegetables for this. You want to make sure that everything is fresh, everything is properly cleaned, and then you want to cut them or you want to dice them just like I am doing here. I'm using some onion. I'm also using some green bell peppers, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers. Essentially any color of bell peppers that you have available, you can use it. I'm also going to use some carrots and some sweet corn in this. Again, you can add as much vegetables or as little as you want. It is just important that this is obviously healthier than the average pasta salad that you get to buy outside. Now, once we have cut all of that and we've set them aside, this is the pasta that I am using for this recipe. Of course, you can use any other type of pasta. All you want to do is have water boiling in a pot, and then you want to add a little bit of salt and then throw in your pasta. It is also important that the water you're using to cook the pasta is a little bit more than you typically have, just so the pasta does not stick together. Now for the dressing, I am making a combination, or I'm using a combination of Greek yogurt and mayonnaise. I did not want to use either of them alone. I wanted to make a combination of them, and I really love that, and I recommend that you guys do the same. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper, salt, and some lemon or lime juice to this. Anyone you want to use is fine, and then I'm going to mix that and set that aside. Now, once your pasta is ready, you want to run it through cold water just to stop the cooking process entirely. If you don't do this, your pasta is going to keep on cooking, and then it is going to taste very weird and not like retain its firmness. And now all you want to do is mix all our vegetables, or add all the vegetables that we made earlier into the bowl. While we're here, you guys, in case it's the first time you hear my voice, or in case it's the first time you're coming across a video from my channel, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I am a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I share recipe videos twice weekly, and I share all my shorts videos every day, so you're never going to lack if you subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, or if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share the video to your friends, your loved ones, your enemies. Even when they come here, they are going to love me. Now we're going to just add everything, and then I'm also going to add the dressing that we made earlier, and you want to just mix this and combine thoroughly, and that is it. Honestly, your pasta salad is ready, less than 20 minutes, and you have this really beautiful healthy pasta salad, and you don't have to go outside. This is obviously relatively cheaper than what you would get outside from the stores, and it's also healthier, so go to town, you guys. The full ingredient list and their quantities again are in the description box. Thank you guys so much for 45,000 subscribers. I am really grateful, and I am going to see you guys in my next video. Enjoy.